How to fix Instagram music not showing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll show you how can you fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Now you'll need to understand that not all songs are available for each and every country, so some of the specific musics and some of the content isn't available, so you have to make sure to understand that as well. But then if you're able to find a particular music to your friends' devices but then it's not on your device, then that means it's an actual issue. So what you have to do is, first of all, what you could do is you could actually go ahead and click on the DMs icon. I'm going to use it for the DMs, and here I'm going to select music. Now if you go and type in the music, and you could see that this is not available in your region, it's not available and you'll not be able to use it. So then what you have to do is, in that case, you could actually try opening your device's settings, or you could actually go ahead and long press onto the Instagram application, click this I button, and here you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, but if you're sure about it, you could also do that. After you've actually done it, so see whether the issue has been fixed or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you want to try checking for an update. So go to your respective Play Store. On the search box, type in Instagram and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. See, in my case, I have to actually update, so I'm going to click on the update button, and after updating it, so it should be able to fix it. In spite of doing all of these procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then you'll need to try uninstalling the application, restart your device at the same time, and once again reinstall it, and that should be able to fix the issue. So these are some of the common ways, the basic ways to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.